Hey there, I'm here from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, weekly market recap. Kopangan, Thailand, another beautiful weekend here. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Like, subscribe, and stay with me till the end of the video. So let's see what Spine Friends brought us in the past week. Overall, another all-time high. SPY closes the week 501.2. All-time highs. Can we get 526 and 560? Do not fight the trend. We are inside an uptrend channel, above the yellow zone, above a buy signal, above the green line. Overall, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a bull's market. Bulls are in full control. Look at the QQQ. Same thing. Uptrend channel, now at the 437.05. Every day that goes by, every week that goes by, the Qs provides us with new all-time highs. Let's see, we broke above this trend line. So now we are heading towards the 463 and 496. Dow Jones closed the week with an inside doji, which means bulls of the Dow took some rest this past week, but overall still inside an uptrend channel above the 387. Next, on the weekly, we will see 404. We can adjust the weekly levels a little bit more tighter. Let's check the 21. Same thing. 405, continuation above 388, and we will see 405 on the Dow Jones. IWM, crazy week, but overall 2.5% to the upside this week, holding above the yellow zone, holding above the uptrend channel. We got ourselves a buy signal, which means we need to forget for now that the IWM is going south. It looks like we're heading towards the 205 and then 217 to the upside. This is the beauty of the FTI version 5. It works on everything, on anything, on any time frame. Look at the mags. It doesn't work on this because it doesn't have a lot of data. But we can do it by ourselves. Swing low, swing high, and as we can see, Magnificent 7 ETF is in with an uptrend. Channel broke above this uptrend channel. Now 39 and 41.60 to the upside. SOXX on the weekly. After 2 weeks of nothing, 2 dojis, bears had their chance. Did not take the chance. Bulls came strong on the SOXX, 5.5% to the upside this week. Don't forget, Nvidia earnings coming up not next week, the week after, but SOXX are here. Bulls of the semiconductors are here to stay. 681 is next on the weekly. KRE still inside the danger zone. KRE still inside the yellow zone. The yellow zone is a danger zone. In this case, for the longs, for the bulls of KRE, we're inside the yellow zone, no trading zone, danger zone, but we closed with a doji of a trend line. We are still below a sell signal. So if you're looking to go long on KRE, wait. Just wait. Bitcoin, what a week so far. 11% to the upside so far. Still have 1 day, 16 hours. By the time I'm recording this video, let's see, can we get above the 48,750? Next is the 55. And if you saw previous daily market recap, previous weekly recaps, we said that if the bulls will continue to hold strong above the yellow zone, we can get some kind of a squeeze, short-term squeeze towards the 48. And here we are, 48. Ethereum on the weekly, holding above the yellow zone, inside an uptrend channel. Now let's see continuation towards the 27.17. By the way, before we continue, the only thing I ask is small request. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because more videos coming up during this weekend, and every day 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time during trading days we are going live to prepare together for another trading day. So hit the notification bell. Next on our list is Microsoft, and the weekly Microsoft 2.3%, just moving up, sliding up, if we can say it, grinding up. Now next is the 451 Microsoft, super bullish uptrend, above the yellow zone, above a buy signal, above the green line. And if you don't know what are all these levels, trend lines, green line, buy signal, sell signal, it's the FTI version 5, the ultimate tool that will make you a professional trader. Everything is based on Fibonacci, also the trend lines, the levels for support and resistance, the buy sell signal. We have the green line to manage our risk. And as long as we follow the FTI version 5, it is our only GPS for future price action. All the rest of these technical indicators are lagging. The only tool that gives us with up to 85% accuracy where price might be heading next is the FTI version 5. More updates coming during the next few days. So if you want to join, check the links in the description below and in the first comment. You will not regret this amazing tool. Apple with a doji inside candle, nothing much on Apple. We're moving sideways. Bulls of Apple on the weekly, trying to get away from this yellow zone. Let's see next week continuation above the 193, and then we will see 200. Overall, we need also to check and look left. What do we see? We see a massive weekly double top scenario on Apple. We are still not out of the woods. If Apple will close a week below the 178, this double top towards the 165 and then 150 will get validated. Meta, after previous week earnings gap up 21% to the upside this week, bulls of Meta just went on vacation. No price action whatsoever. Super tight price action. Doji inside candle. We need to wait and see where Meta will take us next week. We can take the level, the trend lines a little bit more accurate, and as you can see, it gives us everything that we need on any time frame that you want to trade and anything that you want to trade, weekly, daily, stocks, ETFs, futures, short, long, forex, day trading, swing trading, everything and anything. Just one click away. Join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, the only, and I promise you, it will be the only Discord you will want to join. No other communities out there that gives you trading floor, premium room for day trading, exclusive swing lounge for swing trading, options, crypto miner, general chat. We have it in English, we have it in Hebrew, we have the university. All the roads to success starts and ends with the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Join us today. Nvidia, unstoppable. February 21, Nvidia earnings after the bell. Until then, Nvidia is in a FOMO state. Everyone wants a piece of Nvidia. We are already 721. Next, 811 and then 925. Can we get 811 or even 850 according to the daily? 780 and 875. always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of your price action. And the daily, super strong uptrend channel. We can see it. We don't need to break our head. The FTI gives us everything, and the daily and the weekly makes our lives as a trader much more easier. Netflix, another week, another doji, nothing much. If bulls of Netflix will not take a grip of themselves and break above the 580, bears will come in strong, push price back to the 590, 529, and then 490, retesting this yellow zone as support. Tesla, last week we had a doji of a trend line. This week we are seeing some kind of bulls trying to get back in the game, at least towards the 212, but we are still below a sell signal, below the red line, below the yellow zone on the weekly, which means careful. If we want to take a super short term long on Tesla, we need a day or two above the 195, and then we will go close this gap at the 206, and we will meet the 209. Shopify on the daily gave us a doji, but look at the weekly. We have been waiting. We have been waiting patiently to break above the 81, the 82 area. We took Shopify long few days back. Shopify earnings coming up Tuesday before the opening bell. Careful, if you're a trader and not a gambler and you're holding positions, you must know earnings date for any position you're holding. Amazon 1.5% to the upside past week. Overall, Amazon super strong uptrend channel above the green line, above the yellow zone. Next is 190. AMD and the weekly, 3 consecutive weeks of dojis, doji after doji, 3 consecutive weeks. Someone needs to give. If the bulls will give up, we will meet the 150 to the downside, at least 150, and then 139. If bears will give up, we will get a break above the 185 towards the 210 and 241. Overall, all across the board, all across the market, whether it's the SPY, Qs, semiconductors, even Google. 4 weeks of sideways move, but inside an uptrend channel above the yellow zone. Look at the yellow zone, how it acts as support and resistance. It was resistance throughout July 2023 until January of 2024, and since then 4 consecutive weeks we are holding above the yellow zone. Let's see continuation above 154, sorry, and then 163 and 174. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. More videos coming up from this beautiful weekend in Copenhagen. Until the next video, stay safe.